Hi everyone, it's Maria Palazian from London Contemporary School of Piano. Today we will look at If I Got You in 3 different ways. This song is by Alicia Keys, and what we will do today is we will look at the piano chords, and I will show you how you can play these chords in 3 different ways. We will give them some texture, and you will see how harmony works in this song, and as well as you will have some creative ideas of what you can do with your playing. So if you like our work at London Contemporary School of Piano, head to our website and ask for the resource kit. It includes materials featured in the YouTube tutorials, including this one. So let's get started. So the first chord is C major 7. It's a very nice progression actually. Then we have a B minor 7, A minor 7, and then G major 7. But how we will play these chords? The left hand will play the bass notes C, B, A, and G. And with the right hand we will play the rest of the chords, but not in root position, but we will invert it. See? This, we will invert it and we'll put the E up here. And we will play them in arpeggios. We will repeat it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we will move down to B minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we will move down to A minor 6 times. 4, 5, 6. Then to G major 7, but just 4 times. Then we will go up. While going up, play in octaves as well. 1, down. Then we will start the same chord progression, but this time the left hand plays octaves. 6 times the C major 7, 5 times the B minor 7, because here we have a chromatic chord, which is the B flat minor. See? Then we will go down to A minor, and we will play it 6 times. Then you have the G major 7, but you play this blocked. Let me play the whole intro for you so that you have an idea. That's the intro. One of my greatest joys at the school is helping students like you experience a real musical transformation. Visit our website to find out how we can make that happen together. And leave us an inquiry to tell us a little bit about your musical journey. I'd love to help you take the next step. Now we will move on to the verse. The verse, we will play them as blocked chords. So the left hand will play the bass notes and the right hand will play the chords. So we will go from A minor to G, but it will be very quick transition. So A minor 7, but A will be with the left hand, and the rest of the notes, look, it's again inverted. I'm not playing them like this, I'm inverting them. So you will do A minor 7 to G major 7 very fast, like this. Ta-da! So that you play the tune as well. Ta-da! Then you hold. Then we will go to E minor 7. You keep the D there. See? This is how we will play the E minor 7. Then comes again A minor 7. This is a new chord. It's the dominant of the song. The song is written in G major, and the dominant of G is D7, and that's what we will hear. So this chord, actually, you will play the chord in root position here. Then back again to A minor 7 and to G, the way we did it. Now we will see a new chord. It will be the G sharp diminished chord. Okay, this is the G sharp diminished chord. move down to A minor 7, and then back to the dominant. So this is the verse. Let me play it again for you. Now, the pre-chorus, you can just continue and play it as we were doing the verse. Octaves in the left hand and block chords in the right hand. But this is the third way. This is the way that I will show you. It will be different than what's in the actual song. So, we will play the same chord progression that we did in the intro, the C major 7, B minor 7, A minor 7, and a G major 7, but in the other way around. We will start with the G major 7, then go up to A minor 7, B minor 7 to C, and then back. So we will start with G major 7, and this is what you will do. A fifth in the left hand, and what's left is the B and the F sharp. We will play it with the right hand, and that will be a fourth. So we will start with the G major 7, but we will keep the shape of the hands. So that's G major 7. You go up to A minor 7, then B minor 7, back to A minor 7, G major 7, A minor 7, and here you will see the C major 7. Back, down, all of them. A minor 7, E minor 7, good. Now the chorus. The chorus, its chord progression is exactly the same as the intro, but we will play them in blocked chords. It would be nice if you start and you play these three notes, and then you jump and you play the chord progression, which will start with C major 7. So, to play the C major 7, we will do again inversion. You remember, this is how we started? It will be the same. And now you know that comes the B minor 7, then A minor 7, then G major 7, and as we did in the intro, we went up to reach to the C major 7, we will do the same. Then B minor 7, don't forget the chromatic chord, and then A minor 7, and then you reach to G major 7, and you'll do this. That's it. I'll play again the chorus. If you like what we do here at London Contemporary School of Piano, head to our website and ask for the resource kit. It includes the materials featured in our YouTube channel, including this one. Now, what happens next is you go back and you play the verse, then again the pre-chorus section, and then the chorus is twice. And what happens at the end is exactly the same as the intro. You play the arpeggios. That's the B flat diminished chord. what we will do. We will take the top 3 notes of the G major 7, which they make the B minor chord actually, and we will play them in different inversions. At the end, the T major chord. Then you will do chromatic scale, and you will finish it with G. Now, if you have any questions about the chromatic scale, let me give you a hint. On the black keys, you use the 3rd finger. On the white keys, you use the thumb, except where we don't have a black key, we need to use our 2nd finger. So you will start like this. Here also you use the 2nd finger. Repeat this, da-da-dum, and you finish it with a G because it's written in G major. That's the whole song. Let me play the whole song from the beginning again, and I will hum the tune as well. Humming the tune helps you to know when to change the chords. It will help you with the harmony. So, I'll start. That's it. If I got you in 3 different ways. One of my greatest joys at the school is helping students like you experience a real musical transformation. Visit our website to find out how we can make that happen together. And leave us an inquiry to tell us a little bit about your musical journey. I'd love to help you take the next step.